1, 2, 3, some creativity! Good afternoon from Some Creativity.
Today we're in the lab.
And we're making homemade lava lamps.
Alright, we have our supplies here. As you see, we have a very eager scientist.
Yeah.
Say hi. Hi.
Good job.
Okay, which bottle do you want?
Green.
This one? Okay, so here we have our bottles, which we're going to make our lava lamps in. You can use any bottle. We chose plastic because they're safer for the kids.
All right, today our ingredients are baby oil, food coloring, and for some creativity, we have some gold sparkles.
Over here we have some Alka seltzer, a glue gun over here, but we're just gonna glue gun the tops down so she can't unscrew it when we're done.
First things first, we're gonna take some water and we're gonna pour it about 1/3 of the way up the bottle.
So about this full. Now we're gonna add some color. What color do you want?
Purple.
Purple. Just a few drops. We don't want to make it too dark.
So now we're gonna take the baby oil and we don't wanna fill it all the way to the top, but we do wanna get it almost there. At home, you can use things like vegetable oil as well. We just chose to use baby oil because it's nice and clear, so the color shows out better.
For now, we're just gonna put the lid on and sit this one to the side while we do the other two. You move the container, and Daddy pours the glitter paint.
You tell me when. Whoa!
Whoa! She's like, pour it all in. We'll go wash your hands. All clean.
Okay, guys, are you ready for the fun part?
Yay!
Yay! We are gonna drop one of these Alka seltzer tablets into it. You're gonna see this bubble just like a lava lamp. Are you ready? Okay, drop it in there.
Here is our purple lava lamp. We just wanted to show you what it looks like with the Alka seltzer tablets in it. We've added some silver glitter to it. I do just want to add, to make sure that you have more oil than water, a decent amount. As the Alka seltzer bubbles, the oil kind of slows the reaction so it won't bubble over. If you don't have enough oil in there, it may potentially bubble over. Just make sure you have it on a clean surface. All will be okay.
This time we're gonna put 2 tablets in. Let's see what happens. You ready? We're gonna put 2 in there. Look at that! Look at it go!
Whoa!
Yeah. And then this time we're gonna put 3 tablets in. Can you say the number 3? Good job. Here you go. We got 1, 2, 3.
All right, up in the bottle.
You gotta grab all of them. Put this one in there too. Hurry up.
Go fast, go
Put it in there. Put it in there.
fast. Let it go.
Good.
Good job.
So as you can see, after a while, the reactions will stop. For more fun, you can continue to add tablets with the parents. But when you're all done, if you just want to take your project and save it, ask the parents to use a hot glue gun to lock it shut.
We'll see you next time at the Science Lab.
Bye-bye.